Attention visitors, for your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands on our
Wonderful. Wait right here for just a second, and you may take any road you'd like. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Got you.
Catch the back. Good, it's over. Make sure you get Sully's good side. He's very sensitive.
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
And rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child broke in.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! There's a kid in here! Sweet monster in the sky!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, trying to understand.
Come on, this way.
perimeter is under observation. Inc unit, get this.
Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. Be on the lookout for this child.
I hate working nights. Yeah, I'm excited.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scaffold.
Ooh, are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep down.
Human child here tonight. We responded to a 23.
You all have to get decontaminated.
Local PD secured the area in question. We spread out and locked
What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching. Move it along, people. That's right. Nothing to see here.